Do you love classic cars that can handle any terrain and look great on the road? Are you looking for a rare and affordable vehicle that will make you stand out from the crowd? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you might be interested in the International Scout, one of the most iconic and versatile 4x4s ever made. But what is the International Scout, and why should you consider buying one? How can you find the best deals on these vintage beauties, and what are the pros and cons of owning one? In this video, I will answer all these questions and more, as I show you 5 International Scout cars for sale on eBay right now. I will give you the details, features, and history of each car, and tell you why they are worth your attention and money. Whether you are a collector, an adventurer, or a fan of American engineering, you will find something to love in these 5 International Scout cars.
But before we dive into the cars, let me give you a brief overview of the International Scout and its legacy. The International Scout was a line of 4x4 vehicles produced by International Harvester from 1961 to 1980. It was one of the first civilian off-road vehicles and a direct competitor to the Jeep. The Scout was designed to be rugged, simple, and versatile, and it came in various models, body styles, and engine options. The Scout was popular among farmers, hunters, explorers, and even the military, as it could handle any terrain and weather condition. The Scout also had a loyal fan base, and many enthusiasts still restore and customize their Scouts today. The Scout is considered a pioneer and a legend in the 4x4 world, and a true American classic.
The first car is a 1970 International Harvester Scout 800A. This is a rare and desirable model. 1970 International Harvester Scout 800A for $15,000. This is a rare and beautiful example of the Scout 800A, the second generation of the Scout line. It has a red utility body with a removable hardtop and a black interior with 2 seats. It has a manual transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and a clean vehicle title. The seller claims that the car runs and drives well, and that it has only 71,050 miles on the odometer. The car also has some custom features, such as a roll bar, a winch, and a spare tire carrier. This is a great opportunity to own a classic Scout that is in good condition and has a lot of character. The second car is a 1972 International Harvester Scout for $7,877. This is a basic and budget-friendly model. This is a stunning and eye-catching Scout that has a bright orange exterior and a black interior with 4 seats. It has a manual transmission, a V8 5.0-liter engine, and a clean vehicle title. The seller states that the car is in excellent shape and that it has been restored and upgraded with new parts, such as a new clutch, a new radiator, a new carburetor, and a new exhaust system. The car also has some original features, such as the original radio, the original hubcaps, and the original spare tire. The car has only 5,483 miles on the clock, which is very low for a car of this age. This is a perfect car for someone who wants a powerful and reliable Scout that has a lot of style and charm. $1973 International Harvester Scout for $5,100. This is a gorgeous and elegant Scout that has a gold convertible body and a white interior with 5 seats. It has an automatic transmission, an AMC V8 engine, and a clean vehicle title. The seller says that the car is in good working order and that it has been well maintained and serviced. The car also has some nice features, such as air conditioning, climate control, cloth seats, a split bench seat, a trailer hitch, and a removable soft top. The car has 29,382 miles on the meter, which is reasonable for a car of this vintage. This is a wonderful car for someone who wants a comfortable and versatile Scout that can be enjoyed in any weather and season. As you can see, this Scout is a rare and amazing find, and it's ready for a new owner who will appreciate and enjoy it. It has a lot of history and personality, and it's a lot of fun to drive. It's not a show truck, but it's a great driver and a head-turner. It's also a great investment, as Scouts are becoming more and more popular and valuable. So, if you're interested in buying this Scout, don't hesitate and bid now before someone else snatches it. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact the seller through eBay, and the seller be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and happy bidding. This is a spectacular and rare Scout that has a red/orange SUV body and a black interior with 2 seats. It has an automatic transmission, an IH345 V8 engine, and a clean vehicle title. The seller mentions that the car is in mint condition and that it has been fully restored and customized with high-quality parts, such as a new paint job, a new suspension, a new steering, a new brake system, a new fuel system, and a new exhaust system. The car also has some awesome features, such as a lift kit, a roll cage, a snorkel, a roof rack, a LED light bar, and a custom bumper. The car has 99,999 miles on the gauge, which is not accurate, as the seller explains that the odometer has been replaced. This is an amazing car for someone who wants a unique and badass Scout that can handle any challenge and adventure. This is a charming and cozy Scout that has a tan convertible body and a brown interior with 2 seats. It has an automatic transmission, a V8 engine, and a clean vehicle title. The seller notes that the car is in fair condition and that it has some minor issues, such as a leaky gas tank, a cracked windshield, and a rusty floor. The car also has some basic features, such as a removable hardtop, a spare tire, and a tow bar. The car has 78,000 miles on the counter, which is not bad for a car of this era. This is a nice car for someone who wants a simple and affordable Scout that can be fixed and improved over time. So, how can you buy this amazing car? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is contact the seller and make an offer. The seller has listed the car for sale on eBay, a website that specializes in classic cars. The asking price is $5,500, which is a bargain compared to the market value. The seller has provided photos of the car, which are 100% of the description, and has asked the buyers to base their questions and purchase off of the photos. The seller has also stated that the car was running when it was parked a few years back, and that it needs some restoration work. The seller has specified the payment methods and the shipping arrangements, and has made it clear that the car is sold as is, where it is, and in as is condition. So, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for a car that is unique, fun, and valuable, then the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic is the perfect choice for you. This car will give you the thrill of driving off-road, the pleasure of cruising with the top down, and the satisfaction of owning a piece of history. This car is a rare and desirable model that is hard to find and easy to love. And this car is a smart and profitable investment that will increase in value over time. But you have to act fast, because this car won't be available for long. Someone else might snatch it before you do. So, don't hesitate, don't delay, and don't miss this opportunity. Contact the seller today and make an offer. And get ready to enjoy the 1978 International Scout Convertible V8 Automatic, the car that will change your life.
So, there you have it. 5 International Scout cars for sale on eBay that you should check out. These are all great vehicles that offer a lot of value and fun. Whether you are looking for a rare, a basic, a versatile, a premium, or a sporty model, you can find it among these Scouts. But hurry up, because these cars won't last long on the market. If you are interested in any of these cars, click on the links in the description and place your bid or buy it now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my next video, where I will show you more awesome deals on classic cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.